Your titrator is an important device of your quality system, and its function is essential for your successful analysis in your laboratory. Protect your investment with preventive maintenance and calibration to ensure consistent performance and to achieve accurate and reliable results. Why is preventive maintenance important? During titration, there are many moving parts subjected to wear and tear. Depending on the application and the environment, the instrument is exposed to dust, fumes, humidity, and corrosive chemicals. All this can lead to a loss of accuracy and reliability, or even a complete breakdown. METTLER Toledo's preventive maintenance service goes far beyond simple cleaning. Our factory-trained service technicians thoroughly investigate the entire system. They look for signs of excessive wear and tear, loose screws and cracks, loose cables and connections, and check peripheral devices such as burettes, stirrer, pumps, auto sampler, and more depending on your system configuration. Several operational tests are performed to ensure proper functioning of electronics and alignments of all moving parts. And if needed, corrective measures are taken, including the replacement of parts if required. Special attention is given to the Burette drive as it significantly contributes to the dosing accuracy of your titrator. For maintenance, the drive is completely disassembled, motor and piston rod are cleaned from old debris and properly greased to assure a smooth movement. After preventive maintenance, a calibration of the major components is performed. This is the Burette drive piston stroke length to ensure dosing accuracy, as well as all sensor inputs to assure correct monitoring of the titration. The Burette volume is calibrated individually in accordance with ISO 8655 Part 3, using a bespoke METTLER Toledo comparative method. To complete preventive maintenance and calibration, a General System Suitability Test is recommended to ensure the overall system performance under actual user conditions. Benefit from preventive maintenance and maximize uptime. Extend equipment lifetime and reduce unexpected repair costs. Moreover, calibration enables adherence to technical specification and regulatory compliance. Choose your maintenance plan now. www.mt.com/care packages